Hi everyone, Rowan Hardesty here. Today I wanted to talk with you about how to pick a family law attorney. There are many factors that go into this, and so I've picked some of what I believe are the most important things to look for. As you know, family law includes, among other things, divorces, child support, child custody and visitation, modifications and enforcements of prior orders, property division, adoptions, and wealth and asset identification and valuation. So what should you look for in a family law attorney then? First, you should interview your prospective attorney. In that interview, you should be clear about what you want to accomplish and explain that to him or her. Determine whether the attorney has experience with the specific issue or issues you are presenting to them. See if the attorney is going to treat your case the same as every other case or tailor your case to your specific needs. Generally, an attorney that can tailor their legal services to your needs might be slightly more expensive, but in the end, you will be more likely to get what you want. See if they can work within your budget or even offer payment plans. Next, you should find an attorney you can work with. What this means is that when you and your prospective attorney interview each other at a consultation, that you are comfortable telling that attorney sensitive and embarrassing information. You also need to be able to understand that what they are telling you. So essentially, you need to pick an attorney that is sensitive to your needs, that you can trust, and that you can effectively communicate with. Also, your attorney should listen to you and take your needs and questions into account to determine your case strategy. You should ask for advice and make a decision for yourself. You will want to look for an attorney that is willing to give you advice and guide you, but that will ultimately let you make the final decision on what path you choose to take. An attorney that railroads you into a specific plan of action may not be the right fit for your case. The only exception to this is if you are asking for something that is either not possible to accomplish or is unethical. This is the only time an attorney should potentially dictate the path to choose. Ask yourself whether you like the attorney that you've been meeting with. You need to get along with your attorney and have a working relationship with that attorney. If the lawyer you are meeting with is distracted, abrasive, disorganized, acts in a way that makes you uncomfortable, or doesn't seem to give you confidence, that attorney is not likely for you. You should also demand experience in the attorney you are looking for. Just like in the field of medicine, you need to go to someone who is familiar with your issues and can come up with a specific plan for you. Using a generalist may not be the best person for your case. Also, more experienced attorneys are more likely to know how the judge in your case will likely rule based on their experiences. You should ask about the attorney's fees and decide whether you can afford that attorney. Sometimes, asking for the most experienced attorney will not be in your budget. Sometimes, however, those attorneys may offer payment plans that can help you. You'll also need to ask the attorney how much they believe your case may cost. Many factors can affect the cost of a divorce. Two of the most important are how contentious a case may be and what the attorney's style is like. Does the attorney always take the case to trial? Does the other side seem like they want to fight for everything and want to litigate? If so, that attorney will likely cost you more in the long run than if you choose an attorney who is willing to help you negotiate a resolution to your case. Ultimately, the things that are important to you are what you should be focusing on. I believe the main things to look for are whether you feel comfortable with the attorney and their experience for a case of your type, whether you can afford that attorney, and whether they can tailor their services to your case.